So this is the Wildway knife handle making course that I did at the Bushcraft Show. So we're still making it, and I'm using Field & Steel's Atom to carve it. So I think that's the way, yeah, so it's a little bit crooked. But I can't help that. That's just how some of them were going to come out, because the holes weren't drilled properly, like it's straight. So you're going to see that's a little bit bent. So I'm trying to trim over here so that it'll even it out. And then I can shape it a bit better. At the moment it looks like a shank. But that's where I am at the moment. Just want to share that with you guys. So this is where we are now. So I'm going by this. So follow the spine all the way down. That's my straight point. All these shaded bits is the bits that I'm going to get rid of. So this is how I marked it, just so I know what I'm doing. And just going to make it, trying to just keep making it straight. So this here is sanded down from 60 to 120 grit paper, sandpaper, and then I did an 800 wet dry. So I think I'm happy with that. Looks good. Can't see any marks, obvious marks. Got the blade as straight as I can possibly get it. So I'm happy with that. Just gonna put some boiled linseed oil on it now and see how it comes out. So here's a finished product. This is from the Wildway knife making class. The sheath came out really good. That's all birch bark. It's not going anywhere. It's very nice and snug. See that? So that's good. Handle came out good. That's the blade there. I haven't sharpened it yet. That little bit there is where the resin is. I went a little bit too deep on that, but the handle came out nice and smooth, and that's with Danish oil. So big thanks for everybody at the Wildway class. Yeah, very happy with that. Let me know what you think in the comment section.